In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to integrate Notion with Sunsama, so you can turn your Notion tasks and pages into a focused daily plan inside Sunsama. This setup is perfect if you use Notion to manage projects and Sunsama to plan your day, because it helps you stay organized without duplicating work. We'll go step by step, and by the end of this video, your Notion workspace will be connected and ready to use inside Sunsama. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future productivity tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Sunsama. Log into your Sunsama account using your usual credentials. Once you're inside the Sunsama dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct workspace or group if you manage multiple teams. This is important because integrations are connected at the workspace level. Next, look to the top area of the Sunsama interface and click on Sunsama to open the main menu. From this menu, you'll see several options related to your account and settings. Go ahead and click on Integrations. This is where Sunsama allows you to connect tools like calendars, task managers, and note-taking apps such as Notion. After the integrations page loads, scroll until you find Notion in the list of available integrations. When you see Notion, click on it to open the Notion integration settings. On the Notion integration page, you'll see an option that says Add Notion Workspace. Click on this button to begin the connection process. Sunsama will now redirect you to Notion so you can authorize access. If you're not already logged into Notion, go ahead and sign in with the Notion account that contains the pages or databases you want to use with Sunsama. Once you're logged in, Notion will ask you which pages or workspaces you want to share with Sunsama. This step is very important, so take your time here. Select only the specific pages or databases that you want Sunsama to access, such as your task database or project planner. After selecting the pages, click Continue. Finally, click on Allow Access to confirm the integration. This gives Sunsama permission to read tasks and information from the selected Notion pages. Once access is granted, you'll be redirected back to Sunsama automatically. At this point, your Notion workspace is successfully integrated with Sunsama. You can now start pulling tasks from Notion into your daily planning workflow in Sunsama, helping you stay focused and intentional with your time. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Notion with Sunsama step by step. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more software tutorials, and share this with anyone who uses Notion and Sunsama together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.